What is the minimum clear cover for slab, beam, column and footing? For slab, the minimum clear cover is 20 mm, and for beam, the minimum clear cover is 25 mm. For column, the minimum clear cover is 40 mm. For footing, the minimum clear cover is 50 mm, and for retaining wall, the minimum clear cover is 60 mm. What is the initial and final setting time of cement? For ordinary Portland cement, the initial setting time is 30 minutes and the final setting time is equal to 10 hours. What is the difference between column and strut? Column is a vertical member of frame structure, whereas strut is a inclined or horizontal member and which is shorter in length. What are the type of slump? There are three types of slump. Number 1, true slump. Number 2, shear slump. And number 3, collapse slump. What are slump values for RCC structure? Number 1, for column, the slump values varies 75 mm to 150 mm. For beam and slab, slump values are 50 mm to 100 mm, and for pavements, the slump values are 20 mm to 30 mm. For bridge, the slump values are 30 mm to 75 mm. How do you measure the workability of concrete? We can measure the workability of concrete by various methods. These are number 1, slump test, number 2, flow test, and number 3, consistency test. What is the standard thickness of internal and external plaster used in Gulf countries? For outside wall, the standard thickness of plaster is 15 mm to 25 mm. On the other hand, for internal wall, the standard thickness of plaster is 12 mm. What is the minimum strength of masonry blocks for hollow and solid in Newton per square millimeter? The minimum strength of normal hollow or solid blocks is 7.5 Newton per square millimeter, and the maximum is 12.5 Newton per square millimeter. This is the strength for load-bearing blocks. Tell me some potential risk factors for workers at construction site. Number 1, falls from height. Number 2, scaffold and trench collapse. Number 3, repetitive motion injuries. Number 4, electric shock. Number 5, hitting with logistic objects. Number 6, not using personal protective equipment correctly. Can we cut an opening for staircase in post-tensioning slab if we need it in future for next roof? Cutting and feeding through post-tensioning slab may result in a huge loss of stresses. It may also cause collapse of the slab if there is no beam. It is also dangerous for working man life, as offending of post-tensioning tendons result in release of energy. Still, I would say that we should consult a structural post-tensioning engineer before doing that.